अंजुन वाठारांत वाडपी आवाज प्रदुशणा आड अंजुणकारांनी सलग तिसऱ्या दिसा आंदोलन केलें। अंजुण आनी वागातोर वाठारांत नायट क्लबांचेर नेम मोडून राती 10 वरां उपरांत मोठ्या आवाजान म्युझिक वाजयतात। ताचो थळाव्यांक त्रास जाता। जो मेरेन मोठ्या आवाजान म्युझिक वाजोवप्यांचेर कडक कारवाय जायना तो मेरेन हें आंदोलन चालूच उरतलें म्हूण थळाव्यांनी सांगलां।
The march we will fight till we get justice.
What is the next
Till the noise pollution stops in Anjuna. Not only this ward or that ward, all over full of Anjuna. We want peace in Anjuna. We want a peaceful people who comes and enjoys the nature and and go back and remember the good memories of Goa. Not only drinks and drugs and this thing. In Anjuna, in front of my house, every day I see that from Dias and Exos, the customers are coming down drunk and we have to face them because of the traffic. Every day we have argument with them and they come and say, sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am. Every now and then. And every now and then we call the traffic police and police every now. We are tired of this. I don't know how authorities are not helping us. This past 8 years we are fighting for this property because of the noise.
This is something totally even you cannot think about, yeah?
How long he wants us to fight?
RTH takes 6 months.
30 days, man. Only 30 days.
30 days. And we are not getting an answer for the past 6 months. What is this government up to? What are these all hand in glove people up to? Are they only for themselves, filling their pockets? Are they thinking of the next generation? Are they thinking of our people around? Where is Anjuna going to be? What are we going to see the future of Goa? Is anybody responsible for it? Answerable to this question? Right from the CM to whoever. This is not right. It's a democracy. Is there democracy here? Celebrated Independence Day. Do we have any independence? Are we independent here?
No.
So what is all this? This is just hangama.
Mockery.
It's a mockery of the entire constitution.